Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we will be making goat leg. I first start off by taking off the fat and cutting it up so that the seasoning and the meat can cook evenly. Then I grab a mixture of 1/3 cup diced cilantro, 1 full minced garlic, a squeeze of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I massage it in. I then wrap the goat leg up and steam it for around 15 minutes. Then I grill it on medium heat for 20 minutes, or 20 minutes to half an hour. And there you have it. It should come right off the bone. It's good to feed around 10 people. Really nice and seasoned. I hope you enjoy.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like it, share. Bye.